there you go. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Here we have a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta, 2-liter turbo diesel, and I'm going to perform brake pads and this rotor replacement. So let's get started. All right, first tool you're gonna need is first tool you're going to need is a pick. So just pick. Pull this cover off, just like so. Just like that. This is a 17mm socket. Remove the lug nuts. Alright, the next thing is to remove the caliper bolts. It's a 13mm, so you're gonna need a 13mm wrench. Crack it loose, just like that. And 15mm wrench to hold the counter it, because it will tend to spin together. One, next tool you're gonna need is a small pry bar like this. Make sure that your parking brake is off. You want to pry it here. You want to pry it from the bottom as well. Just like that. You go back and forth. There you go, it's out. Now this is your outer pad, this is your inner pad. Just like that. Just like that. There you go. Next tool that I'm going to show you is a brush. You can brush this. Just like that. This is a T30. I want to remove this screw, just like that. So once this is off, now you can remove the disc. I have a hammer here. What you're going to do is you're going to hammer it here, here. That will back it off, and that will just come off just like so. Alright, so the next step is to clean this up. That's the best I can do, but if you want to clean it more, great. But that's good enough for me. Alright. Got a rotor right here. It's a wipe. Alright, so remember this is where the screw is gonna go. That's where the screw is. So how you're gonna put it in is put this in first and slide it in just like that, just like so. Put your screw in, just like that. Use your brake cleaner, give it a wipe. Okay, that's good. Remove the slider pin here. Get a good wipe. Same thing down here. Give that a good wipe. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna put some grease in here, then I'm gonna put it back in. Some grease. Some grease over here. So this will go here, just like that. And this will go here. Just like that. The next step now is to prep the caliper here. So we're gonna clean this up and I'm gonna push the piston back in. Alright, so I'm just gonna give this a little bit of spray, brake cleaner spray. Give the boot a bit of a clean and the piston surface. And then you want to have a special tool. This is a right hand thread. Alright. And this is the adapter. This will go in here. It will go into the slot here. Slot here, slot here. So this is the adapter. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put those notches on the slot and then tie this just like that, and I'm gonna turn it clockwise. just like that. To loosen this one, you gotta turn it clockwise. Notice how these notches, I wanna put it to 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock. I mean, it's not, it doesn't matter, but I just want to do it like that. There we go. It's about there. So it's at 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock. I mean 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The slot there. See the boots, they're popping out. So what you want to do is you want to open up the boot and kind of let the air out a bit, just like that. There you go. Give that another spray. Give that a clean. Alright, so this part is done, the caliper preparation. And the next step now is to just prepare the pads, and the pad's gonna go in. Alright guys, so this is the brake pad here. It's a Brembo. That's the part number there. So I'm gonna put some grease here. Brake pad lubricant. I think I put too much there, and then I'm gonna swing it down just like so. Like that. Alright, this is a spring tension here, so make sure that when you're putting the caliper in, they won't go right in the hole, so they should be evenly spread onto the caliper, like, you know what I mean. That's why it's hard to push the caliper in, because of those spring tensions. See this? That's the spring tension there. You don't want one of them sticking out in this hole, so that's good. It also come in with new bolts, so therefore I'm going to use the new bolts. So just put your hand here, put a little bit of pressure so the hole goes through to the slider. Same thing with this one. There you go. 15 mil right there. Just like this. See, it starts to spin, so you need 15 to hold it in place. There you go. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks, guys.